Regular HVAC maintenance is essential to keeping your mobile office comfortable and efficient. In this video, we'll walk you through how to safely change your HVAC filter. We recommend you perform this service every 30 days. Before you begin, it is important to note the type of system that you are working on and to read all labels on the unit. For this video, we will be working with the R410A system. First, make sure you have the right tools. This includes a drill with the appropriately sized drill bits, a ladder tall enough to reach the HVAC unit safely, a clean replacement HVAC filter, and a lock and tag set for turning power off to the HVAC unit. To start, always turn off the AC unit using the thermostat inside the mobile office. Then turn off the power to the HVAC unit. This can be completed either on the internal main electrical panel or the panel on the side of the HVAC system. Then, apply the lock and tag to the electrical panel that you switched off. Let's first remove the old air filter. Use the ladder to safely access the HVAC unit. Remove the 2 screws on the small middle panel to expose the HVAC filter. Carefully remove the old filter. Take note of the filter size printed on the frame. Now to insert a clean air filter. First, make sure your replacement filter matches the size of the one you're removing. Using the wrong size can reduce efficiency and airflow. Satellite shelters can provide HVAC filters for your unit. Contact your local branch to order replacements. Before inputting the new filter, write the date of replacement on the filter. This helps track when it was last changed and ensures timely maintenance in the future. Insert the new filter into the HVAC unit. Finally, secure the panel back in place with your drill. Once the filter has been replaced and the panel is securely screwed back on, remove the lock and tag set from the electrical panel and switch the breaker to on. Finally, switch the thermostat back on. If the room was warm when the AC unit was switched back to on, adjust it to a lower temperature and listen for the AC unit to turn back on. If you work in a ground-level office, it is recommended to clean the HVAC filter every 30 days. First, open the grate on the HVAC inside the unit. Next, you will remove the filter and wash it with water. When dry, you will reinsert the filter in the ground-level office HVAC unit. If you notice your HVAC unit isn't working properly, it is important to have any further services conducted by a trained HVAC specialist. You can contact your local Satellite Shelters branch to schedule HVAC services. Satellite Shelters also offers HVAC maintenance for your job site office trailer. Reach out to your local branch to learn more about the options available to you. At Satellite Shelters, we're committed to helping you keep your office space working efficiently and effectively. Routine maintenance on your HVAC unit will help keep your mobile office cool and comfortable.